Good morning,
Good morning,
students.
student.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
That's okay, very good. So let's just practice. Let's study the things we were studying continue. So this is the information of the class 8th, Essentials of English Grammar we are studying. And the next chapter is chapter number 16, Transformation of Sentences. Transformation of Sentences, chapter 16 we are going to study. So let's just concentrate. This is a very easy chapter, not that much difficult. If you practiced the last chapters properly, this chapter will not disturb you, will not bother you. Sentences with or without the adverb to. So this is the first point we are going to study. Study the following examples carefully. This road is too hot to touch. So this same sentence can be written in another way also, like this road is so hot that I cannot touch it. What we need to do, students, we need to change the formation of the sentence without changing its meaning. That means meaning will remain same, but the formation of the sentence will be changed. The formation of the sentence will be changed. That we need to see. Right, everyone? Sorry. So see the first sentence meaning as well as the formation, right? Let's go to the next sentence. Three idiots were too good a movie to miss. See the meaning of the sentence. Too good a movie to miss. And see the next sentence. Formation is changed, but the meaning of the sentence will remain same. Three Idiots was such a good movie. टू को चेंज कर दिया सच दैट के अंदर. नाउ यू सी थ्री इडियट्स वाज सच अ गुड मूवी दैट आई डिडंट वांट टू मिस इट. Like this, we need to do the next also. I shall be too busy tomorrow to receive any visitors. So, like this, children, we need to practice. See this. This will be changed. I shall be so busy tomorrow that I will not be able to receive any visitors. So see the written, the to form is changed to the so oblique such that form. या तो आप so लिखोगे या सच लिखो और उसके साथ हम लोग जो है एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. सच को हम लोग लगते हैं जब हम किसी भी एडजेक्टिव और किसी भी नाउन को हम लोग एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं. सो के बाद हमने हॉट लगाया, बिजी लगाया, दीज आर द एडजेक्टिव्स. और सच के बाद हमने अ गुड मूवी एक नाउन को यूज किया है. सो ये लिटिल हमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है. इट्स अ लिटिल बिट ओनली, नॉट मच. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. द सो ऑब्लिक सच दैट फॉर्म sentence is a complex sentence. The tense in the subordinate clause depends upon the tense in the main clause. यानी कि देखो जो so या फिर सच के साथ सेंटेंस बनेगा उसके सेकंड पार्ट में हम लोग दैट लगाते हैं. ये कंप्लीट सेंटेंस जो है हमारा कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कहलाता है. दिस सेंटेंस इज कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस, राइट? सो दिस वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू मेक इट. सो टू और टू को जो है हम लोग चेंज कर देते हैं सो दैट के साथ या फिर सच दैट के साथ. सो हम लगाएंगे जब हमारे पास जो है एडजेक्टिव है और सच हम लगाएंगे जब हमारे पास नाउन है। चलो जी, लेट्स सी दिस फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज। Rewrite the following sentences removing the adverb to। आप जो ये एडवर्ब टू और टू का जो पैटर्न हमें इस सेंटेंस में मिल रहा है उसको रिमूव करके हमें जो है सो दैट या फिर सच दैट, this is what we need to decide, that either we are going to put so that or such that, right, to change the formation of the sentence without changing its meaning. Sorry students, it was a bit disturbed. All right, let's see the first sentence. She is too clever to fall in your trap. So see, clever is an adjective. So you will write there so. She is so clever that she will not fall in your trap. Once again I am repeating, I told you to और टू के पैटर्न को खत्म करके हम सो दैट या फिर सच दैट का पैटर्न यूज कर रहे हैं। सो लेट्स सी, she is so clever that she will not fall in your trap. This is the first sentence. Let's go to the next one, second sentence. I will do only two sentences for you people. The rest of the sentences you all will do it yourselves. Let's go to the next one. You will reach New York too late to get the connecting flight to Atlanta. So it will be, you will reach New York so late that you won't या फिर will not, you won't get the connecting flight to Atlanta. Connecting flight to Atlanta. Right, everyone, see this once again. You will reach New York so late that you will not get the connecting flight to Atlanta. Right, everyone? The rest of the sentences of this first exercise, you all will do it yourself. And that should be quite crystal clear to all of you. Let's go to the next sentence, exercise or work, whatever we have. And next we have the second exercise, students. Rewrite the following sentences using the adverb to. Now we have to use the adverb in these sentences. Now you see in these sentences, so that or such that pattern is applied. We need to remove so that pattern and we need to rewrite the sentences in to pattern. Again, I will do two sentences for you. Rest of the sentences, you all will do it yourselves. Let's read the next sentence. First sentence of second exercise. She is so miserly that she doesn't help anybody. So the sentence will be, she is too miserly to help anybody. That means after to, there will be directly verb's first form. First form of verb will be there. She is too miserly to help anybody is the correct sentence after transformation. Right, everyone? Let's go to the next sentence. Tomorrow, I shall be so busy that I shall not be able to spare time for you. This is the sentence. But when you change it, it will become tomorrow, I shall be too busy to spare time for you. Once again, I'm repeating. I shall be too busy to spare time for you. I shall be too busy to spare time for you. Right, everyone? Let's go to the next part. Left sentences, you all will do it yourselves. And when you get the answer key, there you will tally your answers. If you find anything wrong or delete, then there you will do one thing. You will just correct it and then go ahead. Let's go to the next. Part B is interchanging affirmative into negative sentences. Now you see, students, it is the matter of the verbs basically. You will change affirmative sentence into negative sentence without changing its meaning. Formation will be changed, but the meaning will remain same. Right? Let's see the first example. I admit that you have done your best. इसका मीनिंग कहता है कि मैं स्वीकार करता हूं कि तुमने अपनी बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस दी है। और अगर इसी बात को नेगेटिव में एक्सप्रेस करना हो तो कैसे करेंगे? आई डोंट डिनाई दैट यू हैव डन योर बेस्ट। यानी कि वो कहता है कि मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूं। अगर मना नहीं कर रहा है तो इट मीन्स कि वो स्वीकार कर रहा है। तो इट मीन्स के सेंटेंस चाहे वो नेगेटिव है चाहे वो अफर्मेटिव है, सेंस कैन रिमेन सेम. इट इज द मैटर ऑफ द वर्ब्स ओनली. राइट एवरीवन? लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट वन. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस है यू योरसेल्फ वांटेड दिस ट्रांसफर. और इसी को अगर नेगेटिव में कन्वर्ट करेंगे बिना मीनिंग चेंज किए तो बनेगा डिडंट यू योरसेल्फ वांट दिस ट्रांसफर. Didn't you yourself want this transfer? That means the sentence can be negative, but this will give the meaning or the sense of the positive sentence. Let's go to the next slide. The next sentence is affirmative. Only a beast could be so cruel. क्रूअल मीन्स निर्दयी जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन अब इसको नेगेटिवली प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो मीनिंग सेम रहेगा. सी नाउ, नन बट अ बीस्ट कुड बी सो क्रूअल. कोई नहीं हो सकता बीस्ट के अलावा इतना क्रूअल. राइट? लेट्स सी द इंफॉर्मेशन. अफर्मेटिव टू नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस यूज अ वर्ड ऑफ अपोजिट मीनिंग. सबसे मेन रूल है बच्चों ये, व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट अफर्मेटिव टू नेगेटिव without changing its meaning, so you will use the opposite word meaning after a negative word. Use double negatives, make the sentence both negative and interrogative. Now you see it can be negative as well as it can be interrogative. Right? Make the sentence both negative and interrogative. चेंज ओनली टू नन बट. अगर ओनली तुम्हें सेंटेंस में मिले तो उसको चेंज किया जाएगा नन बट में. लेट्स गो टू द एक्सरसाइज थर्ड. रीराइट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इन द नेगेटिव. अब फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस को नेगेटिव में चेंज करना है. सी नाउ, आई शैल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस काइंडनेस ऑफ योर्स. I shall always remember this kindness of yours. And let's change this negative. I shall never forget. Remember का opposite बन गया हमारा forget. So बन गया I shall never forget. Never is negative. And remember का opposite हो गया forget. I shall never forget this kindness of yours. I hope that you all are understanding this is very easy, and I am trying to keep my pace with you people so that you will be able to judge it and to translate according to your sense of knowledge. Right? Once again, I am repeating, opposite of remember is forget, and then never is used to make it negative sentence. So it will become I shall never. and never is the opposite of always, right? I shall never forget this kindness of yours. Let's go to the next sentence. Only the brave deserve the fair. अब only को change करना है बस. Only की जगह हम लगाएंगे none but the brave deserve the fair. None but the brave deserve the fair. I hope that you all are writing down the sentences we are doing simultaneously. So students, keep noting down the things in your notebook. Let's see the next exercise. Fourth, rewrite the following sentences in the affirmative. Let's go to the first sentence. Hasn't she given an outstanding performance? Hasn't she given an outstanding performance? Now, this is a negative sentence. You need to convert this into affirmative. You need to see what we need to find out. This is negative. Hasn't she given an outstanding performance? और इसका affirmative बनेगा she has given an outstanding performance. She has given an outstanding performance. Right, everyone? Let's go to the next sentence. One cannot question her noble intentions. So it will be changed like this. Her noble intentions are unquestionable. Question का opposite unquestionable हो गया unquestion. So one cannot question her noble intention. तो बन गया her noble intentions are unquestionable. So see students, rest of the sentences you all will do it yourselves. Let's go to the next part. If you have any doubt, any problem in the working, you can raise your hand. But make sure you speak. You ask the question which is relevant. Otherwise, as a punishment, anyone who's disturbing the class can be removed from the class. So understand it. If there is any problem, ask online by raising your hand. You will be allowed to unmute yourself and to put forward your doubt to get the clarification. Interchanging assertive and interrogative sentences. Assertive को हम लोग interrogative में change करते हैं और interrogative को assertive में change करते हैं, interchange करते हैं. But the meaning remains same, right? Let's see the example. Interrogative, who can believe her story? Who can believe her story means कौन उसकी story पर विश्वास करता है? और assertive बनता है हमारा nobody can believe her story कि उसकी story पर कौन इनकार नहीं कर रहा है? Nobody can believe her story. Let's see the next one. Interrogative sentence. Shouldn't we show greater respect for our cultural heritage? क्या हमें अपने cultural heritage के लिए respect नहीं करनी चाहिए? Shouldn't we? Make sure children, you are practicing properly so that you'll be able to perform good in the finals. Let's go to the next. Is this the way to treat our aged parents? क्या ये ऐसा ही तरीका है aged parents को treat करने का? और assertive sentence बनेगा, this is not the way to treat our aged parents. This is not the way to treat our aged parents. इस तरह का कोई तरीका नहीं है अपने पेरेंट्स को ट्रीट करने का. Ultimately, the sense we get from the sentences remains equal, right? But the formation of the sentence is transformed. So let's see interrogative to assertive. Only those sentences in which the interrogative form has been used for the sake of emphasis can be changed. For the sake of emphasis means trying to make the sentence quite valuable and relevant. Interrogative sentence only in which we are putting emphasis can be transformed only. Nothing, apart from this, not others. Next one is An affirmative question implies a negative statement. A negative question implies an affirmative statement. Now what we understand, एक affirmative question जो है negative statement को imply कर सकता है और negative question जो है affirmative statement को imply कर सकता है, means इसको हम लोग apply कर सकते हैं वहाँ पर, we can get it. Now you see, change the following sentences from interrogative to assertive. This is exercise 5th. हमें interrogative sentence को जो है change करना है assertive sentence के अंदर. We need to change this interrogative sentence into assertive sentence. Who was there to help me? The first sentence. So you need to change this into assertive sentence without changing its meaning. Transform this. Who was there to help me? So sentence banega, there was nobody to help me. नेगेटिव में जब आप इसको पुट करोगे, इंटेरोगेटिव में पुट, असर्टिव में पुट करोगे, सो नेगेटिव के साथ जाता है, देखो एम्फोसिस करने के लिए. देयर वाज नोबडी टू हेल्प मी. क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं हु वाज देयर टू हेल्प मी, कौन था वहां पर मेरी हेल्प करने के लिए, कौन था बेसिकली. और इसी को अगर मीनिंग सेम रखते हुए बोलेंगे देयर वाज नोबडी टू हेल्प मी, कोई नहीं था वहां पर मेरी हेल्प करने के लिए. सो अल्टीमेटली व्हाट वी गेट, मीनिंग और द सेंस रिमेन्स अ बिट सिमिलर, that we need to keep in touch or need to keep in mind. Second sentence, what have I done to upset you so much? What have I done to upset you so much? इसी में से आंसर निकलेगा, I have done nothing to upset you so much. I have done nothing to upset you so much. Right everyone, so this is the sentence basically we need to see and we need to practice. So rest of the sentences you all will do it yourselves properly to make it in a proper way. Let's go to the next exercise. Exercise 6, change the following sentences into from assertive to interrogative. Now we have assertive sentence. Now we assertive sentences we need to change into interrogative. Let's see, the first sentence is, everybody worships the rising sun. कि हर कोई जो है राइजिंग सन को जो है वर्शिप करता है. अगर इसको इंटेरोगेटिव में बनाना है तो इसका बनेगा हु डजंट वर्शिप द राइजिंग सन. देखो सेंस सेम है कि कौन नहीं वर्शिप करता है, का मतलब सारे के सारे वर्शिप करते हैं. एवरीबडी वर्शिप्स द राइजिंग सन एंड हु डजंट वर्शिप द राइजिंग सन मीन्स कि कौन नहीं करने का मीन्स सभी के सभी जो है राइजिंग सन को वर्शिप करते हैं. राइट एवरीवन. सेकंड सेंटेंस, यू शुड हैव कंसल्टेड अ, wait a student, just a minute, just continue. See the second sentence, you should have consulted a specialist. Now इसको अगर हम बनाएंगे interrogative तो बन गया shouldn't you have consulted a specialist. सिर्फ नेगेटिव फॉर्म में इसको हम पुट कर देंगे, अपोजिट कर देंगे, shouldn't you have consulted a specialist. That means we are talking about the same sense, right? Let's go to the next part, that is the D part, interchanging exclamatory and assertive. See students, I hope that 6 exercises we have done, these are a bit difficult. You need to use your mind to just understand. This will be the work of your home also today, and then watch the video properly so that you can justify the things. Well, any one of you wants to ask any question,